Today, we're going to walk you through how to install and update golf course maps on your Garmin watch using Garmin Express. No matter which Garmin model you're using, as long as it has golf course maps, these steps will guide you through the process. Let's start it. Start by connecting your Garmin watch to your computer using the USB cable and open Garmin Express. Click on View Details, and you'll see all the golf course maps available for download. If your watch has enough storage space, you can select Install All to download all the maps at once. If space is limited, you can choose specific regions to install and save some storage. Once the installation is complete, your watch will have the latest golf course maps ready to use. After the map data installation is complete, remember to update the maps regularly. Thanks for watching. Need more help? Please go to support.garmin.com.